मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स. आज आपण शिकणार आहोत की सीई ॲम्प्लिफायर, सिंगल स्टेज आर सी कपल सीई ॲम्प्लिफायर हा टॉपिक आपण आज शिकणार आहोत. या टॉपिकमध्ये तुम्हाला माहिती पडेल की ॲम्प्लिफायर हा कशा प्रकारे आपण यूज करू शकतो सिंगल स्टेजमध्ये. ठीक आहे. आता बघा यामध्ये इन दी गिवन सर्किट डायग्राम that you provide some basic structure that R1 and R2. The R1 and R2 is called as biasing resistor. Okay, this is the biasing resistor. It is used to operate this transistor into active region. Okay, active region in active region transistor particularly work effectively. For this working effectively in active region R1 R2, these two biasing are used. Okay, then we check C1 C2. C1 C2 is called as coupling capacitor. The coupling capacitor, this C1 and C2 is called as coupling capacitor. This coupling capacitor used to couple the AC input voltage V input to the base of transistor. Couple this input AC voltage to the base of transistor. For this purpose, coupling capacitor use. And another main function of coupling capacitor is, you know about the capacitor block capacitor block AC and pass DC. Capacitor block AC block DC pass. For this purpose, capacitor C1 C2 coupling capacitor are used. Okay, so another main advantage of this circuit is when the load resistor RL is coupled to amplifier. The load resistor, suppose we connected this one load resistor. This load resistor RL is coupled to the amplifier through the coupling capacitor. Okay, this load resistor RL is coupled to capacitor through capacitor. This load resistor RL is coupled to capacitor. You can draw this load resistor in your diagram. Okay, this amplifier is called as RC couple amplifier. Due to this, it is called as RC, that is resistor pair and capacitor. So this is called as resistor couple C amplifier. Okay, this is one, we connect one resistor RL, this is R, this is C. So this is single stage C amplifier having RC couple. Okay, this is the main advantage. And this transistor is connected in a common emitter configuration. C configuration you can learn in a basic electronic subject. The transistor is a common collector, common base, common emitter. So this transistor is connected in common emitter configuration. So due to this, it is called as common emitter amplifier. Okay, this RC is a collector resistor used for controlling the collector current. This RC is used for controlling the collector current in a collector. Okay, then we can direct consider the operation of this amplifier. Okay, when input signal is given, in that input signal capacitor C1 get charge to its initial value, and then this signal is goes to base of transistor. This transistor is NPN transistor. So due to a base current, this transistor becoming forward bias. So this output is gated from uh, collector terminal, this collector terminal, and collector terminal we connect one capacitor. This capacitor is also charged by its initial value. So due to of this capacitor is charged, then we connect load resistor. So a load resistor in front of load resistor, this point in front of load resistor, we get amplified output signal. So this is a very simplified working principle. There is a RC used for controlling the collector current, and R1 and R2 is the biasing resistance. C1 and C2 is the collector coupling capacitor. Okay, emitter terminal is connected to ground. So in this way, single stage C amplifier will be work. Thank you.